Alright, so in this video, we are going to be replacing the Serpentine belt. The belt is kind of like holding up your pants, except your car doesn't have pants, so we don't need this. The belt is actually for spinning different components, like your AC and your alternator, and a whole bunch of other things that you don't really care about. You want to use a Phillips head to remove these 4 screws. After that, you can easily pull this out. Alright, so online you can get a diagram of how your engine belt pattern should look like. The A side over here is usually the side that's flat. So the B side is the ribbed side. So over here, that's the tensioner pulley. That's the thing that makes this belt loose. What you're going to need is a 17mm socket and a breaker bar. You put that in there, and then you pull it clockwise towards you. And when you do that, you can see the belt is getting loose, and it can only go up to this point. So once that happens, all you gotta do is just pull it, just like this. Once you get the belt removed, release the tension, and take out your bar, and take out your old belt. And that's it, that's your old belt. We're halfway there. This is the model I got for the 2.0T. As long as it meets these specifications, you should be fine. So if you compare the new belt to the old belt, you can see there's a color difference. It's the same structure and the same number of ribs. Possibly see some micro cracks, as opposed to the new one, there's nothing there. It's the same length, so we're okay. What you want to do next is get brake cleaner or soap and water, and you want to clean up all the pulleys. Put the towel rag like this, and just roll the pulley, and you will see how much dirt actually gets picked up. So I have my diagram set up here so it can guide me to where I should put the belt. We're going to go for the bottom pulley, which is these two. Take this, and right here and right there, we're going to lace this around, and after that we're going back up. We're going to go around here, the tensioner pulley, and then we're going to put this under this pulley, just like that. Perfect. And then we're going to go down if your pulley has some ribs like this, that means the rib side goes on it. But if your pulley is smooth like this, that means the smooth side should go on it. Over there. And grab the breaker bar, put it here, just pull it away from me. Once that final piece is on, you want to make sure you look around, everything is lined up. Now you're just going to slowly let go of the handle, move the bar, and take a look at your work. Everything is connected as the way it should be. Final test is start up your car and hopefully nothing blows up. Looks good, sounds good, no squeaking, it's fast. Now we put on our air scoop back on. And that's how we change our old belt into a new belt. Thanks for watching, guys.